Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class once again. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and safe at your home and you are preparing for your PT. So, my dear students, today we will revise exercise 3C and D, that is addition of 4-digit numbers. Okay, but firstly we will see the solution of previous homework. In previous class I had given you to solve exercise 3A and B, that was addition. So I hope you all have done your homework. So my dear students, please match your answers with this solution. You can see here I had solved exercise 3A and B. Okay, this is very easy exercise. Only we have to add numbers and we will start adding from ones. Firstly we will add ones place numbers, then second tens place number, and in last 100 place numbers. Okay, so now I am going to start our today's class. So let's see. Now this time we are revising chapter 3, that is addition, and today we will revise exercise 3C and D, that is addition of 4-digit numbers. In previous class we have taught addition of 3-digit numbers with carrying and without carrying. In 3-digit number there was 3 digit, that was ones, tens and 100. But today we will study to solve addition of 4-digit numbers. There is a little difference between addition of 3-digit numbers and addition of 4-digit numbers. In 3-digit number there was 3 digits, that was ones, tens and 100, but in 4-digit numbers there is 4 digit, that is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. And addition of 4-digit numbers is exactly same as addition of 3-digit numbers. In this we will also start adding from ones place numbers. Firstly we will add ones place numbers, then tens place number, then 100 place number, and finally we will add 1000 place numbers. And we will add right to लेफ्ट. मीन्स कि पिछले क्लास में हमने 3-digit नंबर्स के एडिशन को पढ़ा था, जिसमें कि 3 डिजिट थे वंस, टेंस एंड 100. हम उसमें जब भी एडिशन को सॉल्व करते थे तो हम पहले वंस प्लेस के नंबर्स को सॉल्व करते थे, फिर टेंस प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करते थे और लास्ट में हम 100 प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करते थे. बट इन दिस मीन्स 4-digit नंबर्स में यहाँ पे 4 डिजिट होंगे जो कि वंस, टेंस, 100 एंड 1000 होंगे. तो इसमें भी हम ऐड करना स्टार्ट करेंगे वंस प्लेस नंबर से. पहले हम वंस प्लेस के डिजिट को ऐड करेंगे, फिर टेंस प्लेस के डिजिट को ऐड करेंगे और फिर 100 प्लेस के डिजिट को ऐड करेंगे और लास्ट में हम 1000 प्लेस के डिजिट को ऐड करेंगे. ओके, सो and this is a very easy to solve. So let us start. We will start our chapter now. Exercise 3C. Question number first, add but without carrying. So let us start addition. We will starting addition from ones place number. So at ones place we can see there is 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And now we will add tens place numbers. So tens place numbers 0 and 1. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. And now we will add 100 place numbers. So here is 5 and 4. So we will add 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And now we will add 1000 place numbers. So 1000 place numbers is 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3915 is the sum of 1502 and 2413. Okay. Now we will solve number second question. Again we will start adding from ones place numbers. So at ones place numbers 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now tens place numbers. So 4 and 1 is equal to 5. Now we will add 100 place numbers. So 3 and plus 2 again 5. And last we will add 1000 place numbers, that is 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So the sum of 2346 and 5213 is equal to 7559. ओके, मीन कि हम 4 डिजिट नंबर्स में भी ऐड करना वंस प्लेस नंबर से शुरू करेंगे. पहले हम वंस प्लेस नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं, जैसे 6 + 3 9. फिर हम टेंस प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. सो 4 + 1 5. और फिर हम 100 प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे, जो कि 3 और 2 है. 3 और 2 5. और लास्ट में हम 1000 प्लेस नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. सो 1000 प्लेस नंबर इज़ 2 and 5. So 2 + 5 7. Okay. And now my dear students, you have to solve remaining question, but you have to solve question up to 8th, means 8 तक के 3 से 8 तक के क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. ओके. Our next exercise is exercise 3D, that is addition of 4-digit numbers with carrying. So firstly we will see example number 5. Add 3462 and 5897. So my dear student, firstly we will arrange the number one below the other in the place value chart. Means कि हम numbers को इनके place value के अकॉर्डिंग राइट करेंगे. जैसे कि वंस को वंस के नीचे, टेंस को टेंस के नीचे, 100 को 100 के नीचे, एंड 1000 को 1000 के नीचे. ओके. एंड नाउ वी विल start adding from ones place number, ones place digits. So we can see at ones place here 8 and 7. So 8 and 7, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So in 15 we know there is 15 ones, and we can write 15 ones like 110 and 5 ones, 110 and 5 ones. So now we will write 5 ones under the ones column and 110 to the 110 carry on the tens column. Okay. So here written 5 under the ones column and 1 carry on tens. And in next step we will add now tens place number. So 1 6, 1 plus 6 7, and 7 9 16. And you know we can write 16 tens as 100 plus 6 tens. We can write 16 tens as 100 plus 16, as we know 100 is equal to 10 tens. Okay. So again we will write 6 under the tens column and 100 carry on the 100 column. Okay. So here written 6 under the tens column and 1 carry on 100. And in next step we will add 100 place numbers. So in 100 place number is 1 plus 4 5 and 5 plus 8 13. So again here is 1300 and we can write 1300 as 1000 plus 300. We know 1000 means 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. So we can write 1300 as 1000 plus 3 hundreds. And now we will write 3 under the 100 column and 1 carry on the 1000. Okay, so here is written 3 under the 100 column and 1 carry on 1000 place. And now finally we will add 1000 place numbers. So at 1000 place 1 and 3 4 and 4 plus 5 9. So we get 9365 as the sum of 3468 and 5897. ओके, मीन्स कि इसमें आपको क्या करना है, ये भी बिल्कुल 3 डिजिट नंबर्स के विथ कैरी की तरह सेम है. इसमें भी हम पहले वंस प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे, उसमें जो कैरी होगा उसको टेंस प्लेस पे करेंगे, फिर टेंस प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे, फिर इसमें जो कैरी होगा उसको हम 100 प्लेस पे राइट करेंगे, फिर 100 प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे और फिर उसका कैरी 1000 प्लेस पे राइट करेंगे और फिर लास्ट में हम 1000 प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ we will solve addition of 4 digit numbers with carrying. So now let us solve our exercise 3D. Question number first, add. So let us start addition. Firstly we will add ones place number. So 6 and plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, and in 14 we will write 4 at ones place and 1 carry on tens place. Okay, and now we will add tens place numbers. So 1 plus 5 6 and 6 plus 0 6. Okay, and now we will add 100 place numbers. So at 100 place 8 and 7. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, and in 15 we will write 5 under 100 column and 1 carry on 1000. Now we will add 1000 place numbers. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 and 3 5. Okay, so we get as an answer 5564. Okay, and now remaining question you have to solve, and we will see another question. Okay, so let's see. In this question we will see addition of more than 2 numbers. Addition of more than 2 numbers means in previous question we have solved addition of 2 numbers of 4 digit. मीन्स कि 4 डिजिट के हमने 2 नंबर्स को सॉल्व करना सीखा है, बट इसमें हम 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर्स को ऐड करना सीखेंगे. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, यू कैन सी इन क्वेश्चन नंबर आई देयर इज 3 numbers. Number first is 1873, second number 2576, and third number is 3804. But there is no problem, means it is also very easy. Okay, so let us start adding with ones place digits. So at ones place digit there is 3, 6 and 4. So firstly we will add 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6 9, and 9 plus 4 13. So and in 13 we will write 3 under the ones column and 1 carry on tens. Okay, and in next step we will add tens place numbers. So at tens place, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 7 15, and 15 plus 0 15, and in 15 we will write 5 under the tens column and 1 carry on 100. And in next step we will add 100 place numbers. So 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 5 14, and 14 plus 8 22, and in 22 we will write 2 under the 100 column and 2 carry on 1000 place, and in last we will add 1000 place numbers. So 2 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus 3 8. So we get 8253. This is your answer. And next question number 2, find the sum. Okay, and in this question we can see there is 4 numbers: 987, 1023, 4875, and 2764. We have to add all these numbers. Okay, so we will add it. We will start adding from ones place number. Okay, and at ones place, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, and 15 plus 4 19, and in 19 we will write 9 under the ones column and 1 carry on tens, 1 carry on tens. ओके, एंड और नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हम टेंस प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. सो 1 प्लस 8 9, 9 प्लस 2 11, 11 प्लस 7 18, एंड 18 प्लस 6 24. और 24 में हम 4 को टेंस कॉलम में लिखेंगे. ओके, और 2 को हम 100 प्लेस पे कैरी करेंगे. और अब हम 100 प्लेस के नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. सो 2 प्लस 9 11, 11 प्लस 0 0, एंड 11 प्लस 0 11, एंड 11 प्लस 8 19, एंड 19 प्लस 7 26. 26 में हम 6 को 100 कॉलम के नीचे राइट करेंगे, बट 2 को हम 1000 प्लेस पे कैरी करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल ऐड 1000 प्लेस नंबर्स. अब हम 1000 प्लेस के नंबर्स को डिजिट्स को ऐड करेंगे. सो 2 1 3, 3 प्लस 4 7, एंड 7 प्लस 2 9. ओके, yes, there is some problem in adding this mentally. मीन्स आपको थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होगी कि आपको सब कुछ अपने माइंड में कैलकुलेट करना होगा कि 7 प्लस 3 10, 10 प्लस 5 15, 15 प्लस 4 19. बट जब आप इसको रेगुलरली सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये आपके लिए भी बहुत ही ईजी हो जाएगा. ओके, आई होप you all have understood how we can solve addition of 4-digit numbers with carry and without carry. And now, my dear students, your homework is you have to solve remaining question. Okay, remaining question of question number 2 B, C and D, and remaining question of question number 1 from B to L, along with remaining question of exercise 3C up to 8th. Okay, so thank you and God bless you, my dear students.